In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bank details in Zoho Invoice. Whether you're setting up your financial details for the first time or updating existing information, this process is straightforward once you know the steps. So let's dive right in and walk through the process together. First, you'll want to start by navigating to Zoho accounts. This is your main entry point into all Zoho applications, so open up your browser and head over to the Zoho accounts page. Once you're there, you should see an icon that resembles a group of 6 boxes. This is a shortcut that provides quick access to various Zoho services. Go ahead and click on that icon. Now, from the options presented, select Zoho Invoice. This will take you into the invoicing section where we'll be making the changes to your bank details. Next up, look for the settings option, typically represented by a gear icon. Click on it to reveal more options related to account configuration and customization. Within settings, you'll find an option labeled PDF templates. This is where your invoice templates reside, and it's where we can add or edit your bank information that appears on your invoices. Click on PDF templates. Now that you're in the PDF templates section, it's time to select the invoice template you want to modify. Once you've found it, look for an edit option associated with your chosen template. Click to begin editing. As you start editing, navigate to the option marked Other Details. This section allows you to include additional information that your invoice might require, including your bank details. Once you're in the Other Details section, you'll find an option to add your bank details. Click on this, and you'll be able to enter all necessary information regarding your bank account. Be sure to fill this out accurately to ensure that any transactions go smoothly. After you've entered your bank details, it's a good idea to double check your work. An excellent way to do this is by clicking on the Preview button, which will show you how your bank details will appear on the actual invoice. This final step allows you to verify that everything looks just the way you want it before saving your changes. That's it! You've successfully added your bank details to Zoho Invoice. Now your financial transactions can be processed seamlessly and your clients will have all the necessary details to complete payments. Remember that Zoho offers extensive support and resources if you ever need further assistance or want to explore more features. Thanks for following along and happy invoicing!